winter season, baby. Just check these cars out. Panorama.
Brand new 2025 Porsche Panamera. If you didn't know, now you know.
If your guys are not putting the HLs 285 40 23s on your Rovers, winter ready, baby.
Let's say you go to another shop, you find a better price for the exact same products we've given you and service, we'll match it. So we'll give you the difference back, but you have a 2-week window in order to do so.
So do you want to proceed with welding it? Alright, 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E, here to winterize the Rico. Let's take a look and for the before and after.
For you guys that are doing these Range Rovers, HL LR, heavy load Land Rover. If your guys are not putting the HLs 285 40 23s on your Rovers, give us a shout.
No words. 2005 SL65. We're getting brand new Michelin all-season tires. Stay tuned. Subaru STI, we got some very nice Anki T6R wheels in a gunmetal, gloss gunmetal finish, ready for winter. We got a Subaru WRX XTI here to winterize the vehicle with winter wheels and tires. The customer chose with to go with an 18-inch package, Anki T6R gunmetal wheels. You know what we do here? We not only sell wheels, we sell fitment. So check this out.
You guys have a fleet, if you deal with a fleet, if your company's with a fleet, if you work construction, roofing, whatever it is, let alone flat tires, you want your winter swap done, we'll order the tires in, we'll get them delivered. I'll come even on your off days, on your off hours, bang, 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 and your whole fleet's ready.
This one's a flat repair, driver rear.
Guys, you want a billboard? This is the guy.
Contact me.
That's just what it is. We'll tag him below. You guys get in touch with him, get a billboard, and let's go.
You need
That's
wheels, you need rims, you need anything. He's the guy. He's the guy, okay? I don't know where he went, but he's the guy. You need advertising, call me. I'll take care of it.
So once again, guys, you need an ad. That's Ads World, Mr. Nick. All right, you know how it is. We're gonna tag him, hit him up. Billboards across the city, especially Young and Dundas. He has the plug for that one.
It's winter season, baby. Just check these cars out. You know we're the best in the city. What?
Because right here it shows Porsche Panamera.
Panorama.
But it's a panel.
Yeah, brand new Panameras. They're all putting center lock. This is the first center lock that we're doing.
The new one, the push start?
Huh? Is it a push start now? Brand new 2025 Porsche Panamera. If you didn't know, now you know. The new Porsche Panameras come with a center lock option. Shout out to my boy Traffic Ticket Angelo. If you get any of them tickets, he'll make sure they disappear.
Winter ready, baby.
It was a driver rear flatter bearing.
Yo, get on my shot, bro. It's my shot.
You're actually a f***ing rat ass.